Club is this incredible initiative that it's been funded from the Children's Trust since 2019, and the whole goal is to help parents learn, share, and connect with each other. We know that parenting is a journey, and no child comes with a manual. We're all just figuring it out as we go, but it's one of the most important and most challenging roles that people face, and so the Children's Trust has invested so much to help support families across our community to find their way.
Parenting can feel very lonely and isolating, and it feels like we're the only ones in our own little bubbles at home doing it all wrong. So when a parent can come to a workshop, can connect with other parents and see like, oh, wait a minute, we're kind of all struggling through this. We're all kind of making it up as we go along or trying different things as we go along. It really is so soothing to the nervous system, to the mind, to the heart. It helps us to feel good enough.
When parents arrive, they're a little skeptical, but when they hear these tips and they see that this is a judgment-free zone, we know what you're doing is hard, and we know what works for you might not work for somebody else, but we're just trying to help.
When you're joining us at the library, it looks like reading, talking, singing with your child. It's a shared adventure.
When you take a child on a journey through storytelling, you can see the wheels going, you can see their imagination unlocking. With the music, the movement aspect really locks you in and brings us together.
When you really step back and look and try to put yourself in their shoes, you can understand how difficult it really and truly is, and how we just need to have a lot of grace with each other and gratitude and try our best to put one foot in front of the other.
More families and more families are telling each other, hey, at the library they have this. Hey, look at this school. It's presenting over here. And as long as that happens and parents are just, soaking it up, I hope it continues.
The future of Parent Club is bright. We have so much more work to do. We hope to expand our community partnerships so we can reach more families and ensure that all families have the resources they need to navigate the journey.
Miami, my